Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Sipsby box for March. I actually filmed this video during my travels to San Francisco, which is really cool, but I'm so late in getting this video up for you guys, so I'm excited to share with you the different teas that were inside this month's box. And if you are ready to see what's inside, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. Sipsby is a female-owned tea subscription box service, and they have teas from all over the world. A lot of those tea brands are also small businesses, and I always look forward every month to seeing what teas I'm going to get. I get so excited because everything is like custom picked for me based on my tea preferences, my tea choices. So if you sign up for Sipsby, you fill out this online questionnaire and they'll ask you your tea preferences, and then each month you can also rate your teas. So you can get a really good custom curated box based on your preferences. And this month, oh my goodness, they blew me away with my tea matches. I got so excited. So let's open this box together. So the first thing that I got was the tea sachet. So I like with my Sipsby boxes to get a mix of baked tea as well as loose leaf tea. And if you get the loose leaf tea, they provide this muslin cloth bag, which you also can actually reuse. It's like reusable, it's like a tea bag itself, but then inside they also have the tea sachets. So awesome. The first tea I pulled out was the Tulsi Sweet Rose Tea by Organic India. Sipsby recommends steeping this tea for 4 minutes, and one bag pour 8 ounces of water. Now inside the ingredients are a mixture of different types of Tulsis, as well as chamomile, rose, lemon, and a little bit of stevia extract. Tulsi is seen in India as the queen of herbs. It supports stress, mood, the immune system, and even helps with some detoxification. They say that this blend is very soothing and stress relieving. And actually, the day that I made this tea, I had such a busy day in San Francisco. I had way too much caffeine that day, and I was just feeling really jittery, stressed, everything. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make this tea as I film this video. It sounds perfect. So you might have seen some close-ups of me making that tea. It was so delicious. The next tea I pulled out was one that I was so intrigued and excited to try. It's a Matcha Green Tea by Tea Drops, and I've never heard of Tea Drops before. I was just fascinated by this brand, the concept. It is so cool. So here's what Sipsby has to say about it. A full-bodied matcha green tea to kickstart your morning or help you power through your afternoon with calm alertness. You're just a drop away from your perfect cup. So this tea, you guys know, I love green tea, I love matcha, and the concept of this is that you don't need anything but hot water in your mug. So you drop it into the water, which I'll be sharing right in a second here. I'm just opening up the packaging. You drop it in and you stir it up. So here's a look at what it looks like. It's like basically a tea drop. And it's so cool. It's all this tea together. They also have, let me just double check the ingredients for you guys. I believe it had cane sugar. Yes, it had cane sugar in it, and then the matcha green tea. And then here you see, you just stir it in and it all kind of starts to, infuse its way into your hot water. And it was amazing. You had instant matcha tea. So this was ideal for me because I was traveling. I made this on a morning and I actually made it. I loved it. I made it so much of the trip. I used it all up. So I want to actually get more because I love matcha. But if you travel and stuff, it's kind of expensive to get it on its own, and it's harder to make matcha on the go. Sometimes I use my davidstea shaker, but this concept of this was so cool. And a little bit of cane sugar, it was a little on the sweeter side for me, but I really liked it. It was a nice treat. The next tea inside my box I got also very excited about is from Steep Society, and I love it. They always have amazing artwork on the packaging. It's through Sipsby, and it's so awesome. So this was a Moroccan mint tea. So spearmint with some green tea. Oh, it was so good, you guys. I love a good mint tea. It's wonderful to have in the combination with your green tea. I love green tea, so just a wonderful, wonderful mix. I also learned on the packaging that mint tea is a traditional drink of friendship and hospitality, which is so cool. I didn't know that. And the last tea you're seeing is an Earl Grey tea, a really nice creamy Earl Grey, and I loved it. I had it just on its own, and I just loved having this box for, my time in San Francisco traveling. You probably saw in my last Sipsby video, it's also still in San Francisco, so I had these 2 boxes to enjoy during my time there. And it was just so awesome and so convenient to be able to sample some new teas and just kind of start my morning or like the afternoon coming back from like, adventuring excursions with a delicious cup of tea that I haven't tried before. So I absolutely loved it. I would love to know, out of my box, which tea would you be most excited to try first? Please let me know down below. A huge thank you to Sipsby for gifting me this box to enjoy and share with you guys. It was so delicious. I love this month's box. It was wonderful. If you are interested in trying Sipsby, feel free to use my code TLOVE or the link down below in the description bar of this video on where you can sign up. You can save $5 off your first box. Anyway, you guys, wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.